Hello and welcome to our short tutorial. Today we're going to explain how to install Metamask on your browser and then how to add KimberLite tokens to your new Metamask wallet. We will be doing this on Microsoft Edge, but the process is exactly the same whether you're using Google Chrome, Firefox or any other popular browser. To start, by typing metamask.io in your address bar by clicking enter. This will then take you through to the Metamask website. Here you can read more about the Metamask app. Metamask is really becoming one of the most popular wallets. It's a very easy way to connect your browser to the decentralized web. You can automatically connect Metamask to exchanges and buy and sell and trade your tokens. So let's start by clicking the download button in the top right hand corner. You'll now be taken to the installation page, and you can see that the website has automatically detected that we're using Edge. So let's click on the Install Metamask for Edge button. A new tab will now open, which is the Microsoft add-ons page. Here you can see you're installing Metamask, what version you're installing, and we'll click the Get button in the right hand side. You're now asked to confirm that you want to add Metamask extension to Edge. So we'll click the Add Extension button. It does checking, and then you'll start to see download, and a download progress bar will appear. The length of time really depends on your internet speed. It takes a couple of minutes and you'll find it's downloaded. There we go. Okay, a new tab will now open, and this is the Setup Metamask tab. We have two options: create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. So if you already have Metamask installed on your mobile device, you can import that into your browser and access it via your browser and your mobile. But for this tutorial, we're going to create a brand new wallet. So let's click the Create a New Wallet button. We'll then, given the terms of service, they'll ask to agree, so click I agree. Now we must create a password for our wallet, and we would suggest using a combination of letters and numbers as a special character. Once you've typed your password in twice and confirmed it, then you'll click the Confirm that Metamask cannot recover your password button and click Create a New Wallet. You can now watch a short video to explain how the secret recovery phrase works. Secret recovery phrase basically protects your wallet and also means if you lose your device, if you've got the secret recovery phrase, you can install the wallet back onto your new device so that you don't lose any of your crypto. We will click the Secure My Wallet option. Now we're given our 12-word secret recovery phrase. It's important that you write this down, but it's also important that you don't give this to anybody. Please remember, anybody that has your 12-word secret recovery phrase can access your wallet and they can steal any crypto that's saved in there. We'll see the black box covering it and we'll click Reveal. Now we're given our 12 unique words. The words and the spelling and the order is important, so please write it down. Alternatively, click Copy to Clipboard, which I'm going to do. And I'm just going to paste that into a notepad file. And I'm going to click Next. Now we're asked to confirm our secret recovery phrase, and you'll see that the third and fourth words are missing. So I'll go back to my file. Third word is color. I'm just going to copy and paste that into this page. Fourth word is wrestle. And the eighth word is rifle. Once I've copied in those three words, the confirm button will now be activated. I'll click confirm. You're now given a success screen that tells you that you basically successfully configured or copied down your secret phrase. Click Got It. Now given a couple of short pointers about the Metamask wallet, just click Next, click Done, and now your Metamask wallet is installed. Metamask will automatically configure itself for Ethereum, and you'll see that here we have Ethereum and we're on the Ethereum mainnet. KimberLite Token uses the BNB Beyond Smart Chain, so we need to add Smart Chain first to our new wallet. click on the network button, click add networks. Now a list of popular networks will appear and you'll see BNB Smart Chain and an add button. Click add. Pop-up window will now appear with the standard settings for the BNB Smart Chain. Click approve. Once it's added it will say network added successfully, and it will now ask you if you want to switch to the BNB Smart Chain. We want to switch so that we can add KimberLite, so click the switch button. It will now confirm that you've switched across to the BNB Smart Chain, so click OK or got it. And you'll see here now that you have your BNB balances, not your Ethereum balances. So next we want to import or add the KimberLite token to your wallet. So we'll click import tokens. You're asked to add the contract address. You can find the contract address on our white paper, and you can find it on our website and also in the comments below. So let's go to our website, Kimber Token, kimbertoken.com. And here is our smart contract address. So we'll copy that, go back to our setup screen, paste it, give it a few seconds, and you'll see that the word KIMBER appears, which is our token symbol, and the number of decimal places is 80. Then we'll click the add custom token. This will then ask you if you want to import tokens. You can see that we currently have 0 KIMBER balance. We'll just click the import tokens button to complete the operation. Now we're in the KIMBER section of our wallet. We click the back button. This will take us to the BNB Smart Chain section of our wallet, and we can see we now have BNB and KIMBER. Here we have our address. This is our address where we can receive any BNB tokens, including KimberLite, and we have a copy button here to copy and paste it, but you can't actually see all of the address. So if you click the 3 settings buttons, click account details, now you'll get a pop-up screen, and you can see here your complete KimberLite address. Again, you can copy this address. If you're buying tokens from our website or you're buying tokens from a centralized exchange, you want to copy this and then paste it into your receiving wallet, and this is then the address to which we will send, or the exchange will send, your KimberLite tokens. And that's it. You've now set up Metamask to receive your KimberLite tokens. I hope you enjoyed the video. We have other tutorials explaining how to set up Trust Wallet and also how to set up Metamask on your mobile. So please feel free to stop by our YouTube channel and check those out.